Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into our channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review of this U-line battery operated fan. So we received this from a couple of very close friends of ours. We're not endorsed in any ways by U-line, but we received this and we wanted to do an unboxing of it. If you are interested in getting one of these battery operated fans from U-line, the link is in our description. And I believe it retails for approximately $283 Canadian from their website there. So I'm just going to open this up and we'll see the contents that there is included in this box. And it's very useful. Let's say, for example, you're at a beach and you're hot. You could easily use this. It's battery operated, like I mentioned. I'll have to go through the user manual to see how this will be recharged. Here's the main operating part here, and let's see, just put that there, and this is pretty straightforward. I believe you would attach this onto, as you can see here, there's the back portion here that just clicks into the hole that's in here. So just put that there and then realign this portion as well. So as you can see here, just hit this button and it will click in place. Same thing over here, just click this button, it will slide in place. And there you go. If you look at the back here, there's the minimum, it's on the off. If you want to go, there's a maximum. You start it off max, and then the fan speed. You can start at minimum and then start going this way. As you'll see here, it'll show you lights that will indicate the red for it needs really recharging. And then if it's full, it'll show 4 blue lights. So let's see if we were to turn this up, how this would work here. Ooh, you could hear it. It's definitely working pretty quick. And if you were wanting to, let's turn this off here. If you were wanting to recharge it, what you would just do is, it has this right here. You put it to the side. There's the power, just click it in there and then plug it into the wall. So if you're not using it, you could use the plug here, plug it up so it doesn't, no water or moisture gets to it. So that's the U-line battery operated fan. I hope you found this unboxing and review to be useful. Remember to click that subscribe button, that helps us to grow our channel, and that bell notification icon, and click that like button. Until next time, take care.